Shaping the pot. There are two ways to shape pots, hand building method and the wheel method. Hand building methods. They are the ways to shape the pottery by hand, and these are rolling clay into long rope like coils, and these coils are then placed over one another in a round shape. Joining flat slabs of clay together to make the containers, and pinching soft lumps of clay and shaping them by hand. So this is the hand building method. Now, under the wheel method, the potters takes a chunk of prepared clay, okay, and place it in the center of the wheel. Then he steadily turns the wheel with the help of stick or his feet. Nowadays motors are also used to power the wheel. The potters now works the clay with his hand and slowly pulling it into the shape. After it has been shaped, the pot is left in the sun to dry until it becomes very hard. So children, I hope you must have already seen how the potters wheels the clay and give the clay a different shape, and after it is done, it is left for drying, and after the drying it is ready for baking. Now baking the pot. After the pot is shaped, it is carefully placed inside a special oven called kiln. Okay, this kiln, the fire is lighted to the kiln and the colors of the pot darken slowly as it hardens in the fire. Okay, the yellow color of the pot becomes little red and it becomes brick red color. Once the pot is baked, it is much harder and stronger. It can also be decorated after baking. Okay, and after that they paint it and decorate it. Now methods of decorating pottery. Pottery can be decorated before or after it is baked. Shapes can be cut on the surface of the pot with a sharp tool. Pots can be painted in beautiful colors. Okay, they can also be glazed. Glazing means covering the pot with a shiny substance before baking it. So glazing makes the pot smooth and waterproof. Okay. Jaipur and Rajasthan is famous for its blue pottery, children. Alright. Now parts of a pot. People in ancient Greece had a very interesting way of describing the parts of the pot. They used the names of different parts of the human body. For example, handles were called ears and the base was called foot. The mouth of the pot is the opening at the top, and the lips is the edge of the pot right around the mouth. Okay, these are the names given to it. Below the lips is the neck, and the shoulder is where the neck meets the main part of the pot. So you can see in the diagram all the labelings are done. Pottery in our lives. From very early times, pottery played a big role in our lives. It helped people store food and water safely. People in ancient times painted scenes from their lives onto these pots. These pots now gave us information about how the early people lived. Pots are used for eating, drinking, cooking, storing, growing plants, and playing even today. So nowadays we are using the pots for growing plants. We have the pots for growing plants, right? Some people are also using it for cooking. Nowadays it is in. People are using it for cooking now. Cooking clay pots are being available in the market nowadays. Okay. Again it's back. So children, this is the story of the pot and the pottery. Okay, and the next period we'll be doing the textbook exercises, right? You just watch it. If we'll have time, we'll be doing it now only after watching the video. Alright?